Hi, if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. My name's Barbara Nanshe. I am the maker of all of the jewellery that you see on my online store or in my shop. There is a lot of work on my online store. But you will find all of my newer pieces, my very new pieces, at the front, just down the page. Don't forget, if you're a new subscriber to my online store, there's a code at the top of the page, on the front page, that you can put in at the cart to receive a 10% discount. Just below all my new things are all my categorised jewellery and leggings and art for sale. Earrings are one of my favourite things to make because I use so many different materials. The same with rings. I love setting stones these days. My pendants are a way to have fun and make statement pieces. And my necklaces, well, I love all the different colours and styles I can get with beads. If you are not a new subscriber, you can still use the code for your 10% discount with your next purchase. The discounts are one time only. Cuffs are one of the things I don't make many of, but when I do, I'm just in love with them. Wear a little chick pendant to affirm your aspirations and goals. You can find leggings on my online store and there are so many designs. In store there are limited designs, but you can come and try on the sizes to see what's going to suit you. They fit so well and they're so comfortable. You can use them for fashion or yoga or walking. My art for sale includes my own work, but also the work of Mal Cannon. If you have any questions or you would like me to make you something, please call me. I use many different materials in my designs. You can contact me via phone, text or email, or on the chat on my online storefront. Or you can come into the shop and talk to me in person. 1 to 3, the City Arcade, 120 Hunter Street.